In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and organize YouTube videos in Notion. We'll start by creating a single place to run your channel. Open Notion and build a database named YouTube Creator Hub. This will be your main dashboard where every idea, script, and deadline lives. Next, add the essential properties so each video has the same structure. Create a status column with clear stages. Idea, scripting, filming, editing, scheduling, and posted. Add a publish date as a date property to plan releases. Include a topic or category field using tags so you can group content by pillars. Finally, add a links property for the final video URL you'll paste in after publishing. Keep property names and options consistent across all entries to avoid duplicates and make sorting and filtering reliable. If you work with collaborators, agree on these labels up front so everyone speaks the same language. Switch the database to a board view and group it by status. Now you can drag each video card through your production pipeline, which makes bottlenecks obvious and progress easy to track at a glance. Inside each video page, create a brainstorming area. Use toggles to brain dump raw ideas. Test potential titles, and jot down thumbnail concepts. Keeping these expandable helps you stay focused while still capturing sparks. Once you design one page, save it as a template, so every new video starts with the same structure already in place. Right below, add a script section with clear headers for hook, intro, main content as bullets, and a strong call to action. Drafting in sections keeps your delivery tight and makes recording faster. Add a shot list section to plan B-roll, props, and location notes, so you don't miss key visuals on filming day. Create a description and SEO section to draft your video description. Relevant hashtags and the keywords you want to target. Having this ready streamlines uploading. Set up a quick access section on your phone or desktop so you can log ideas immediately. The faster you capture, the more ideas you keep. When an idea is ready, move it from brainstorming to scripting by updating the status. This simple handoff keeps your pipeline moving. Add a calendar view to the database to visualize your posting schedule. Use it to balance topics and maintain consistent uploads by adjusting the publish date. Finally, before you post, run through a simple checklist in the page to confirm editing is complete. The thumbnail is ready and SEO tags are set. After publishing, change status to posted and paste the final video link into the links field. Thanks for watching.